Oh, wait till Jimmy sees that.
Well, I must be off. It's such a pleasure. Thank you.
Pardon me, Miss Fullerton.
Oh, Professor Williams, it's enough to know that you actually wrote it. I couldn't think of taking it from you.
Please. It's dedicated to my Aunt Mary, and she never even saw it.
In that case, I shall treasure it.
Miss Fullerton, about this murder business.
You know, at first I feared you didn't believe me.
Well, think of it in terms of probabilities.
Now, it'd be pretty tough for someone to try and get away with all those murders.
Oh, forgive me, Professor, but that's where you're in error. You see, the person in question is just the last person anyone would suspect. And so long as no one suspects you, murder is easy.